Vicky here with you, and today I want to share with you a haul, an unboxing. So I was contacted by In Love Art. You know, I've used some of their products in the past, and they asked me if I was willing to do a collaboration again, and of course I said yes. I was very excited that they contacted me. They've got really good products and really inexpensive, so I was, like I said, very excited to do this. I'm going to be putting my glasses because of the fact that I can't really see otherwise. So in the description box below you'll find the link to all the products that I'm sharing with you guys, and after, not today obviously, but I will be sharing a video or a few videos of using some of this stuff that I got. So this first one I thought was so cool. It's some sealing wax, but it's stickers. So if you don't want to have the mess of having to melt your own wax, you can use these stickers. And I thought it was very neat. And you know, like, it could really finish off an envelope very well. So, and there's all kinds of different designs on them. So I thought this was very inexpensive and a really fun way of, you know, instead of having to melt your own, you can just do this. It's much less messy, and I just thought it was very cool, so had to get that. So we'll use this in something soon. Then I got a bunch of different dies. So this one says hello. So I thought on a card that would be really cool, especially since it's kind of big, and it's big, but at the same time it would fit through my my little Sizex. My sidekick. So it's big but not that big, and so even if you don't have a big die cutting machine, this is perfect for it. This one says birthday, happy birthday, so obviously for cards this is perfect. Then this one here is some stamps, but a bunch of different frames, and I thought that was really cool. If I had a white paper, that was really cool for this. So I got that. Whoops, a little bit closer. So I got them because I thought, you know, like, you could put a sentiment on it, in it, and you know, or just prepare something and then glue an image, stamp something and then you put an image through, or whatever. So I had I'm so sorry, I had a lot of ideas with this one, and I love getting sentiments because sentiments are just so useful for everything. So this one here has special day, wishing you the best on each and every moment. Thank you. Heart, may God grant you the desires of your heart. Thinking of you, my friend. Happy birthday. Hope your special day brings you all the happiness you deserve in life. Wishing you the happiest birthday ever. And heartfelt and made by. So very cool, and it has two little flowers, a little leaf, and a little scroll pattern. So very, I thought it was very good. There's a lot of sentiments on there, so you can use it for a bunch of different things. Then for those of you that like planning and things, there's this one here which I thought was very fun. So you've got a to-do, notes, don't forget, and little page flags. So these would be perfect for, like, you could stamp these on some leftover pieces of paper, scrap papers, and then just cut those out and use them. We're always looking for ways of using our scraps this would be perfect ways to do this. So we will probably be doing that, just because it would be very cool to have a bunch of them ready made. And like I said, I'm always looking for ideas on how to use up my scraps, so that I think is really cool. And then I came across this design, and it's just so grungy and just felt really cool. And I could imagine making a masculine card with this as the background, because it's really nice. So yeah, so I had to get that. And then I got this here, which is another die set, and has many different size. So some of them could go through the sidekick, but some are bigger, so would have to go through a big shot or a cuddle bug machine. But I thought, like, for putting like a sentiment, like if you go and put a happy birthday, and you can cut around with one of those, or you could layer it and use it as a flower. So there's different options, so I like that. And then I got this one here, which I thought was really cool. I love that that design, and I thought that would make a really cool design on the card. So we'll be doing that. And then, you know how much I love little ones that you can use for all kinds of things. So again, for sentiment would be perfect, or this one. They're all like perfect for little sentiments. Then this one was just too adorable, so I had to get them. Look at those cuties. Aren't those just so sweet, those little dogs? I just thought they were like the most adorable little things ever, so I had to get them. And I thought, like, for cards or for ETCs or whatever, would be really cool to use. And one thing I didn't know that they had was stencils, so I think that's new that they carry stencils. So I got a few. This one, because obviously this is really useful for anything. Like I just love using circles, and you can use just a little part, or you can use the whole thing. It depends on what you want to do. You could use them on cards or mixed media. So I really like that. And then I got this one, which is a bit bigger. It's a lot bigger, but would make a really cool pattern as well. So like you could do on a white background and just color this in, and then you would have all the white showing, which would be really nice. And then I got this here because for birthday cards, it's really fun to use embossing folders as the background. So you can emboss it, and then you could actually use some ink on top of that embossing to bring it up. I made a video for my Patreons using that technique. I really like the embossing folder, so I thought that would be really fun and cool. And then finally there's this one, which is like little teardrops. So another really fun stencil. So there's a lot of goodies in here. There's going to be a lot of things that we can do. I already have ideas in my head on different things. On card making, like for guys, this would be fun. Or something like this, and then just a happy birthday on top. Like there's, I have so many ideas. So I'm hoping that you guys will like this. I will be go and check out the description box below for the link to all of these products, and you will also see a discount code, and you can use that discount code so that they know that you're coming from my channel, and that you decided to purchase stuff because you saw it here. So yeah, like I said, I will be using some of these wonderful products soon for card making. I've got a feeling like on Monday, because we're presently Thursday, so this will air on Friday. So on Monday I'll probably be using This, I think I'm going to be doing masculine cards and do something with that. And got ideas. So looking forward to sharing these out with you guys. And that's it for now. Bye, everyone.